Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have some of my favorite body care essentials, the products that I love for my body and my body loves them too. It only made sense that I talk about them in detail with you guys so that you can also decide if you really need them or if you don't. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first product I don't think is very new on my channel. I've already talked about it in my 2024 favorites video, the final video that I made in January, like January 2025, and this is one of the products I showed. So this is the Acne Clear Dove body wash with 1% salicylic acid formula. I love this product simply because how amazing it works. I use it as a final cleanse on my body. Once I'm done with my regular body wash, then I go in with this and clean my entire body. So this is like the final step of my body care routine. I mean, like in terms of washing, and this one has salicylic acid in it, which is such a plus point because I love products which have salicylic acid, especially for my body, because they just perform really well for me. So this one in particular, what it does is that I have bumps on my body, especially on my back, which sometimes overgrow and sometimes are very neutral, but they always exist. So this one really helps me to get rid of it. I don't use it every single day. You do not have to use it every single day. You can use it twice or once a week, and that is it. That's all I do. Within 2 washes in a week, I can see a lot of difference in my body acne, in the texture, in the bumpiness. My skin has really smoothened out, but just beware, don't use a lot of it. It can dry out your skin. This is very potent, so you just need like 2 pumps and that's it. So stick to this product for a month or 2 and you will start seeing results. So another favorite body care product, which is also a body wash, is right here. This is the Think Skin body wash. I talked about it in my shaving video. I have used it quite a bit, and simply because I love this, today also I used it on my body. This one is so like deep cleaning. This has no actives in it, but this has sulfates in it, which really like helps to get rid of all the buildup which is because of the sweat on my body. So if you are working out or if you just in general tend to sweat a lot, this will be one of the best body washes for you to try out. This is so cheap. Guess the price of this one. This is for 50 rupees on DMart. I knew I had to get it. I'm again gonna buy it just for 50 rupees, so cheap. Actually for me it's never about the price, it's always about what you get from the product, and this one gives so many results. I know I'm gonna get it again and again because I like it. It has so many variants. This one is the Glycerin Glow, smells exactly like Pears. I don't mind the fragrance of it, but I just love the feeling of it, so it's a win. Okay, another product which I use in my bathroom is the Dove body polish in the variant pomegranate seeds and shea butter. Love this one. This is itna ganda ho gaya na ye because I keep it in my bathroom all the time. It tends to get dirty a lot, but I will show you how much have I used. This smells like strawberry milkshake, strawberries, berries, and look how much have I used. I'm gonna use it, like finish this up entirely. I use it quite religiously, to be honest. I just love the fragrance of it. The feel of it is just so good. I want to purchase it again and again because I love this product and I have absolutely no hate and just no negative about this product. It works and it's the best. Everyone talks about it. I have no hate for it. I will keep using it. It's the love for me, and yeah, I love it. Okay, one of the new body lotions that I've been trying, this is SPF in it, and so far I've been loving it. So this is the Vaseline Healthy Bright Sun Protect Calming Lotion. This is how it looks like. Love the packaging, love how it comes in such a pump packaging. So you just need like this much, and gone. So this has sunscreen in it, and I love lotions that have sunscreen in particular because sunscreen बहुत important है. Whatever you use, any product that you have needs to have a lot of sunscreen in it. I love the fragrance. It's good. it's calming. It's definitely very calming and nourishing to my skin, and it is very non-sticky and it protects me from any harmful sun rays. So it's a win for me, and yeah, I love it. Simply, I use it every single day without fail. It's literally become one of my favorite, and I totally think that Vaseline knows the body lotions that they make. They genuinely knows. They're non-sticky, they smell good, they do the job, and I love it. Talking about body lotions, one more summer favorite here with me is the Nivea body lotion in the Aloe Hydration. This one smells really good. Like, I generally didn't knew that this smells so good, but this smells very good. I wish I had a perfume of this type because I love the fragrance. I like how it feels. It's again very lightweight. Sadly, it does not have SPF in it, but other than that, it's a great one. I use it on my legs sometimes. This is finished. I'm planning on getting the bigger one because how good it is. This is the travel one, so I can buy the bigger one and refill this again and again whenever I want to, or whenever this finishes. So that way it's easy for me to carry around, and simply put it in the purse, travel the world with it, apply it whenever you need, and you're good to go. That's literally the point of this one. Okay, now I have two new products that I've not shown on my channel even for once, and here we go. So this is the Dove Go Fresh deodorant stick. I love this stick. I mean, the formula is so unique. Normally कैसे मैं Nivea वाली यूज करा करती थी, and it just is very liquidy. I've used the Carmesi one, again it's very liquidy. Both of them are so good, but they were just so sweaty for some reason. That was just the bummer for me. But this one is in stick. This is literally a bar. Like, this bar of like deodorant is crazy because कुछ भी feel नहीं होता ऐसे लगाने के बाद. This is just vanishes. Bought this one from Amazon. It's not available on Nykaa, but this is on Amazon for like 335 rupees. So I really like it, and the size is very small and sleek. Put it in your purse, travel the world, you're good to go. Use it whenever you want to. This is that type of the product. I use it once a day, and I kid you not, the fragrance is so mild that it will last you the entire day, and I'm not even kidding. I can even smell it the next day when I'm taking a shower. It's that strong, and you don't need a lot of product. एक बार ऐसे किया, एक बार ऐसे किया, and you are done. You will not sweat, you will not stink. So if you have extremely stinky, extremely oily, sweaty underarms, you need this. Nothing else will work for you. Nivea one is good, but it may or may not work for you. Carmesi one again is very good, but may or may not work for you. It just depends. Try something like this if you have like weirdness, like oiliness or wateriness in your underarms. Best. I know I'm gonna stick to this. Yeah, and my variant is cucumber one. मैंने cucumber वाला लिया था because I just love the fresh feeling and the fresh fragrance of it, and it works. Okay, the last product is a body mist. This is the very viral, very popular Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction. I used it on my birthday. This has the notes of fruity, strawberry, and very like berry valley fragrance. Strawberry is the fragrance. Like, if strawberries could smell, or maybe like it's not, I can't explain it. It's not floral, it's fruity for sure. Strawberries, and also very pinky fragrance, if that makes any sense. So I only got this one because of its hype, but I generally don't regret it because I like such kind of fragrances. They work for me. I want to smell fruity, I want to smell creamy, and I get it from this one. So that's it. This, if you are into fruity fragrances and you're like crazy about them, you might want to invest in these. ये नायका पे कुछ 999 की मिलती है on sale, but if it's not on sale, it's for like 1800 rupees. So just think through it. If you really need it, you can get it. I don't have any idea about other brands that make dupes of it. I generally don't. But this one just works. Okay, so if it works, you have to get it, because for me it definitely works. So I like this fragrance. It is expensive, but you can't do anything. You gotta do what you gotta do. And yeah, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and if you did, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm trying to be as consistent as possible on my channel, so please video देख लिया करो यार. बहुत मेहनत से बनाई जाती है वीडियो, उसके बाद एडिट भी होती है, so you know it's all lot of work. So please let me know what more do you want to watch, and yeah, that's it. Bye guys, see you next time.